Okay. Today's the day. Hopefully gonna make it up on the hill and try to cook something. I can never remember the key to anything. That would help. Had to clean the old girl out before she tried to foul plug on us. Well, hopefully that thing holds water tight like it's supposed to. Ooh, that old wood wagon tipped back. Look. Ski-Doo cover will work. Johnny boy! That's fucking cold. Oh, let's see how our fucking cargo made out. Okay. Whoop. I thought about that about halfway up. I was like, fuck. A little snow in there. Do we fire it up and see if it fucking heats this camper? See how it is in here.
See what critters you got. Hey, there's just up there too.
Yeah, I know. Oh, we got liftoff.
I'd slide it out farther so it's not above the 100 now.
Set it right out here. I don't know if putting it over there would be better.
I see a thing of ice fishers. They're taking this grate
Yeah.
and they would like, see how it's got the different holes down here?
Mm-hmm.
They would bend it up so like this would fucking come down here so it had like a little flat spot. And they'd roast hot dogs on the fucking thing.
Oh, that's cool. Fuck it, why not, right?
Fuck, you're out here on a chunk of ice sitting there. Might as well do something.
Fuck yeah. Well, we'll let that thing cook, see what happens. I just got it on the low.
Collapses right down.
The old Amazon special.
Is it?
Yeah. I had a better one that my parents had when we were kids. It was like an actual Coleman one.
Yeah.
My dumbass left it out in the brush after cooking out back with it. I got bush hogging around my fire pit. I found it. Fucking boom, out comes one piece of it. Oh.
We knew that Big Tom was over there.
Got a job in Florida, working out off the keys, living a single life, doing things as I please. When I step back on the land, the law was at
someday with a little can of gas or something.
That's right. I couldn't tell them where I'm going, but I told them where I've been.
So I got some more of that fuel tube for the furnace.
Yeah.
Is that one recording too?
Yeah. Should be.
Was.
Might not be. I think it might have. No, yeah, we're rolling again. I think you're right. I might have shut it off.
I think you did turn it off.
I don't know. Hello. It's doing something. Thanks for coming along on the trip. Oh, fuck yeah. Woo! They're plenty warm. Yeah. Gotta get the video effect in. Oh yeah. Smoky. I got a fucking red light going.
Yep.
Oh fuck yeah, we're in the business. Oh, we didn't really use the camper, but it got warm.
We are going home to the sun. I don't want to go home.
All right.
Remember, was this the one we used to ride behind the
Yeah.
snowmobile in?
Yep. This is the sled.
You had to wear a helmet because you got so much fucking snow on your face.
Uh-huh. That and we were doing fucking 50, 60 with each other in the fucking sled.
That might have
Yeah. Fuck, we used to go out there and do doubles and shit with people in that thing. The old Yamaha made it back.